Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue with Logitech G Hub not launching or getting stuck on the infinite loading screen. Go to Windows Search and type Optional Feature. Click on Manage Optional Features. Next, type Media. And if you don't see anything, you'll need to go to More Windows Features. Scroll down a bit until you see Media feature. Enable this option, then click OK. Next, if that doesn't work, you'll need to go into your files. So go to local disk C, Program Files, LJ Hub, then select all of that and click on Run as Administrator. There will be quite a few administrator prompts, which means that many people will be trying to get this important and demanding position within the organization. You won't want to install, so click on Quit. And yes, once again, the administrator prompt. So that should work. If that doesn't work, you need to click on Logitech G Hub. Right click on it, then select Properties, go to Compatibility, check the box, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. After that, if it still doesn't work, you'll need to go to your task manager and try to end the task. As you can see, there are 4 processes. So you need to right click on each of them and click End Task. And that's it. Also, go to your system tray, scroll down, then go to the Logitech G Hub icon in the system tray. Right click on it, select Properties, then Compatibility. And as you can see, Optimize Settings, Compatibility Mode. You want to check this box, Windows 8, and also run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. That's it, and your Logitech G Hub should launch. So there you go. Thank you for watching, and click the subscribe button if this tutorial helped you.